Okay, I just want to make this a quick video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe, like the video, comment, and share. We have seen what is going on in our place in Igbo land. The news have it that some youths went to a party, some said it's a club, and lost. Some of them lost their lives. We don't know what happened to them. I have not gotten the detailed information about it. But not only that, few weeks ago, we saw a boy, a little boy of 3 to 4 years, that was being shot, and his intestine, purged out and all that, with a young man as well. And information have it that is being done by Nigerian security agency, which made the Biafran government in exile to react on that. And this few days ago, I think on Saturday, okay, on Saturday, there's a coffee in Anambra State for free. I think that was 5 days. But after that coffee, it was made clear that during that coffee, rather, it was made clear that people that were responsible for the death of that child will be hunted down. And it happened that something come up 2 days ago, where we saw some people that were being attacked and all that. Why I'm making this video is just to advise our people, especially the Igbo Biafrans. What is going on in Nigeria is not anybody who is honest to himself. You are mature. You are both. You are from 15 years up, from 15 years or 18 years thereabout, which is a generally accepted age for maturity and for people to have right to to decide on what they want to do. Because I believe most of those guys that are responsible for those things that are going on in our, buying this person, buying the other person, and all that, they are youth, and none of them is below 18 years. It breaks my heart seeing what is going on. People don't value life anymore. People don't value life, and those who value life are being pushed to sow their hands one thing another. And the news coming out from our place is not very pleasing in terms of what the state of the country have pushed our people to. So we know that it is not easy for us in the country, but some of us are the major problem of our people. You are not happy with what some people are doing. You are not happy with the agitation. You are not happy with the one person, when maybe political opponent or another. You decided to groom some group of people and give them some arms to go after your own people. It is not really a good thing at all. I saw some Yorubas reacting on, because ever since Tinubu won the election, they keep on attacking Igbos. They're attacking our people in a different dimension, in different angle, politically. In social media, they are doing what they believe they can. You see some of them open their mouth and be yapping nonsense about our people. Like the interview I saw in Flip TV, where one guy was saying a lot of things that the Yoruba people are this and that, that the Igbo people hate themselves so much. He was trying to justify his claim that in Igbo land, in 5 states we have in Igbo land, that Ebonyi State, Ebonyi people or Abakaliki person are not feel, they are not welcomed. That every other part of Igbo, like from Enugu, Anambra, and all that, consider them to be lesser Igbo than other. The guy was saying it boldly that he's sure of what he's saying, and then that he ended up saying that people that are agitating for Biafra or for the freedom of Igbos are deceiving themselves, that they're morons, that this and that, because he believed that the best way to go is everybody to unite together, a politician, championing the one common goal to build the road and all that, and saving money for the region. But when you ask them, can they form the regional system of government, they said no, which is restructuring their people are, some people are clamoring for. They don't want. But they want to be, in unity system of government. At the same time, they are advising you to build the regional economy and all that, which doesn't make sense to me. If you want to, if you want a regional government, you go by it. If you want a unity system of government, go for it. Don't advise people of what you don't know. I'm reacting to that Yoruba guy who made a comment in that Flip TV or whatever they call it. There's this YouTube channel, one Yoruba guy in Lagos, where they gather some people, our Igbo brothers and South Eastern people, even some South and Yorubas. They gather together trying to write on daily newspaper and daily reports about what is going on in Nigeria and all that. The guy was saying a lot of things that doesn't make sense to me. And of recent, I found out that many people from other tribe are, using Igbo people to make joke. Commenting on something they know that they don't even have the vital information. Rain or mockery or whatever they call that guy who is jumping from one political party to another, supporting this person today, tomorrow is dead. Cameroon life they normally live, which the southwest Yoruba is normally trying to live a Cameroon life. It is not I'm not insulting you. That is just what it is. So Reno Mockery was posting nonsense also in his Twitter about one bishop. What the name of this bishop that he said that he wrote Igbo dictionary for them and all that. That guy also mentioned that in that interview as well. Some of them also, the other guy in Twitter, these are Yorubas, from people from Southwest, posting those nonsense about Igbo, trying to, bring Igbo people down, try to say one or two things to trigger, comment. I want to go back to the source of this, the source of this insult and the information they are putting out there. Why they are doing it is because P2B contested for election. That is just the truth. Asaro Dokubo is talking bad about Igbos, calling Igbos slaves and all that. You are my slave. Even his recent video that he made a few days ago, I think yesterday, he also repeated the same thing that you are my slave, you are my this, you are that. It's not that I am angry about it. My anger comes from our own people. Anybody can say what they want to say. You can react what you want to react, but my anger comes from our own people. Because you see a fellow Igbo person, man or a woman, trying to, please others and displease his people. And the person can go a long way to even buy somebody who is not of opinion with him or her. They will do anything to make sure that they prove a point to the extent of buying people. You understand? Like that child is it Ihiala, somewhere in Ihiala, if I'm not mistaken, in Anambra State, where that a baby, military shot that baby intestine poured out and all that. That thing happened as if there's a war going on in that place. Maybe a stray bullet just hit the person or something like that. But it's not so. It was well targeted on a baby. What our people are doing about it is nothing. And if you go deep, you find out that the person behind that incident is our people. That's why a youth will allow himself to, form a bubago, to doing and harassing people in our own place. So all these things need to, put to stop. We need to know how we stop this nonsense, because if you are being hated outside and you hate yourself, as they are rumoring it now that we hate Igbos hate themselves, other people don't think that Enugu people are less Igbo. Enugu people think that Boy State are less Igbo. Igbo think that they are the most intelligent and the smartest. Other think that they knows it or they are more educated than. So all those nonsense need to put a stop, because nobody is feeding each other. We are hustlers. We are the same. We are brothers and sisters. But why is it that we are trying to behave like what other people say that we are? They say that you are a criminal, and every time people things is being lost, they find it in your house. They find it in your hands. Like as Igbo they say that always near that atoke, man no jeze we nekia. Ida atoke, ide ya no okay, but iji eze we nekeri omas. Automatically you are eating it because it has touched your lips and your teeth. These are things I want to address in this video, because I have seen many people, wounded civilians, will come after Igbo. Ijere speak, who claim to be Igbo, will come after Igbo people. Uh, Magnus Oraka will come after Igbo people. After the Dokobo, the same Igbo people. Who again? Who they are popular. Let me just mention the pop. Reno Mokri. Oh, I don't know if I got his name. I pronounce it very well, but that's you know who I'm talking about. He also goes after Igbo people simply because why must P2B perform well in election? Why must P2B perform even at all contest challenge Tinubu? Why must you win Lagos State? They see that thing as an insult. Now, the only answer we need to give to them is this: be contented with what you have, be contented with your region. They say that you cannot rule Nigeria, you cannot be a president. And the same you they don't want to be a president are pushing for you not to leave the country where they say you will not be a president. And when they say bad man should come out and you don't want to come out. Because of course you are mad. Very, very, I don't care about your qualification. You are mad. You cannot be a president. You cannot contest anything reasonable. At the same time, you don't want to be, you don't want to be part of people who are trying to get the freedom, where to have environment, a environment where you can contest and win, where you can do what you want to do. Because these people are trying to tell you that you are nothing. They are telling you that even a Roman write your own history. They're pushing this thing out there. And some Yorubas are clapping for them. And you are here telling me that you know what you are doing. P2B is now in Kaduna to see the victim of those that are Nigerian army by there. I'm not against it. You can sympathize anybody wants to sympathize. But my question is this: where is P2B when they bomb in Imo State? Where is P2B when they buy people in Enugu State? The one that happened even in his own state, that baby that was being shot, where is P2B? He just do one or two things, something like that happened in another place. P2B will bam, he's there already. Why are we doing ourselves? Even other people tribes are not telling us that this is what we are known for, that we hate ourselves. I must thank Simon Ekpa. I must thank the different government in Israel. I must thank different liberation army. I must thank different resistance forces, fighters. I must thank BLA, who are doing a great job in Bakassi Peninsula. We are not fighting what is not our own. We are not asking other people not to leave. We are not asking people to buy. All we are asking is for them to leave us, to survive. Allow us to live. That is the major thing we are asking for. I don't need to make this video to be too long. I just want to drop this video because it's so bad. When you come online, you see people talking nonsense about our people, and our people will be behaving, as if we are deaf and dumb. You don't hear what they're saying. You don't see what is happening. They keep on pushing you out, and you are pushing in. Don't do this. Do like this. You keep on dragging and arguing, making unnecessary argument that doesn't make any sense. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow me on my Facebook as well. Comment on this video. Tell me what you think about what is going on, the insult that people are dishing out against Igbos, and the behavior of our youth who are decided not to follow the right way and decided to, buy one another, going after our people and paving ways for enemies to buy our people, buy our children, our women. Is not good at all. Tell me what you think on the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.